I, Brett, take you, Ava,
to be my wife,
to be my wife,
to have and to hold
to have and to hold
from this day forward,
from this day forward,
for better, for worse,
for better, for worse,
richer, for poorer,
for richer or for poor,
in sickness and in health,
and in sickness and in health,
to love and to cherish,
to love and to cherish,
till death us do part,
till death do us part,
according to God's holy law.
according to God's holy law.
In the presence of God, I make this vow.
In the presence of God, I make this vow.
I, Ava, take you, Brett,
To be my husband,
to be my husband,
to have and to hold
to have and to hold
from this day forward,
from this day forward,
for better, for worse,
for better, for worse,
for richer, for poorer,
for richer, for poor,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love and to cherish,
to love and to cherish,
till death us do part,
till death us do part.
according to God's holy law.
According to God's holy law,
In the presence of God, I make this vow.
in the presence of God, I make this vow.
Ava, I give you this ring
Ava, I give you this ring
as a sign of our marriage.
as a sign of our marriage.
With my body, I honor you.
With my body, I honor you.
All that I am, I give to you.
All that I am, I give to you.
And all that I have, I share with you.
All that I have, I share with you.
Within the love of God,
But in the love of God,
Father, Son, and Holy Spirit.
Father, Son, and Holy Spirit.
And Brett, you may kiss your bride.
Keep your hands on Brett and Ava always as they walk in your light and live in your word.
So today I simply want to enjoy another blessing, welcoming a son into our family.
May your marriage be filled with love, laughter, faith, success, and a lifetime of joy. Cheers to Brett and Ava.
May your marriage be filled with adventure, laughter, unwavering support, and a lifetime of saying yes to each other.